Alright, here's a cold start of the 14SE. Was my starter dead? This battery's brand new. Try again. Huh. My charger's no good. Huh. This battery's brand frickin' new. It's on. Okay. Come on, girl. Crank it over. I think my starter's defective. No, I think my charger doesn't work. Hey.